Alright, what's good TDF Crew? So today, it's gonna be a really short video. Short notice. I'm actually working on a new tripod setup. I gotta do some modifications to it. I don't really like it that much. But anyway, it's gonna be a really short video. So I'm gonna be fixing one of the biggest problems on the Honda Civic that we have right now. One of the problems that's probably gonna stop it from getting through inspection. So once I replace this, there's gonna be one other issue that might stop it, and that's like the bushings, not bushings, the like the control arms, the little rubber boots at the end, they're kind of dry rotted. They might stop it for that, who knows. But look at the messy garage. Anyway, through further research, me and my father found out that there's actually something called a backup switch. So yeah, we tested like the different plugs that go towards the reverse lights, different wires and stuff. Everything was getting voltage, but the thing is, it was getting voltage before and after pressing the brake and after putting it in reverse, I think. Well, for sure the reverse. I don't remember if it did it for the brake, if we tested that. But before it had to put it in reverse, it was getting voltage, so it was nothing to like turn the reverse lights on. So I found out that there's a switch for this, and it's actually, I thought it was harder to get to. I thought he had to get under the car to access it. It'd be like somewhere down there, and I was gonna wait till I got my everything I wanted for my short shifter before I did that, so I could take the shift linkage out, then do that. But through further research, I realized that it's really accessible, like right in the engine bay. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess replace that now. Should be really easy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looked like. I have my flash on. It might help a little bit when we use this flashlight too. So here's the plug right here. Is what we bought. It's a really short little plug, not much to it. There's a switch that goes to the transmission somehow. You can switch to plug into the harness, I'm assuming. And it's actually right here under the distributor. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Right there. That's the switch. And then the plug is like right over here. So it should be really easy to change. Let me just go ahead and do that real quick. I'll get back to y'all. So this is the plug to backup switch. As you can see, that part of the plug right there was broken, and this was exposed.
But fix it already. That's why you got them tabs on there.
Yeah, that was a problem right there. So now that we got that unplugged, we just have to get this out. I think it's a 19 millimeter.
You think that's 19?
Alright, so the color puts for tonight. It's just too dark. We did get, like you saw, we got it unplugged. We see how to get to it, but we just don't have the right tools, and it's too dark to try to use other tools to get to the 19 millimeter bolt on the bottom of the plug. So we'll get to that tomorrow. So we did this last night. Yeah. Last night was out here. No, that was Saturday. So it's 2 days later. Get the thing out. So we had to take the air box that's just right here out, so we can get access right here. If we didn't have a 19, we had a 3/4 metric standard, right? So you had to use that, but we finally got it out.
It's only been 2 days because yesterday was Easter Sunday.
Oh yeah. Yesterday we took the day off because it was Easter, and it was raining hard and windy. But yep, that's it. I mean, we cut the cords, but like I showed you earlier, the cords are already in bad shape. So gotta put the new one there. We'll clean that up down there to put the new one there. putting it back together. I kind of got the groove, I guess. So it's all back together down there. Put the air box back in. Let that open for now. Spray some auto body cleaner in there when we start it up to test it. I guess the next film, get plugged in and everything, clipped in. Gonna start the car up now. Huh? I'll get my camera out. Alright. Alright, so we about to see if we see the backup switch. Fix the reverse problem. So, my cameraman. Do it so I can see it for myself. See if we fix the problem. Yes, sir. Alright. It's fixed.
Alright, TDF Crew. So I'm sitting here, I'm editing videos. Once again, check the last couple videos. I realized I never filmed the outro for this video. So as you can see, it was simple fix. I guess this is kind of a common. I don't know if it's common or not. I would assume it's a common problem with EKs as well. But that backup switch, if you put it in reverse and your reverse lights don't go on, if all your fuses are good, you can check the voltage going through the wires, everything's good. 9 times out of 10, either that switch itself is wrong, is bad, or the wires going to the switch are cut or short, something like that. You see, mine were cut, like something went wrong. You try to fix it somewhere down the road. So just replace that switch. I think it's a 19mm or a 3/4 to get it out. Put a plug. Screw the new one in and put the plug in. So that wraps up for that video. Catch y'all in the next one.